Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to recall or unsend an email in Hotmail, step by step, using Microsoft Outlook in Microsoft 365. We've all been there. You hit send too early, or realize seconds later there's a typo or wrong attachment. Don't panic. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily stop that message before it reaches the other person. So, stay tuned till the end to make sure you never send the wrong email again. Alright, let's start simple. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page, click Sign In, and enter your Hotmail email address and password to access your inbox. Even though Hotmail has merged into Outlook, your Hotmail account still works perfectly fine here. Once you're logged in, you'll be using Outlook's modern dashboard. This is where the recall feature lives. Next, look up to the top right corner of your Outlook window and click on the settings gear icon. A quick menu will appear. Scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. From there, go to Mail and then click on Compose and Reply. This section controls how your emails behave when you're writing and sending them, and this is exactly where we'll enable the recall option. Now, scroll down until you find the Undo Send feature. Turn it on by moving the toggle switch to Enable. You'll also notice a slider that lets you choose the time delay, usually between 5 to 10 seconds. This delay is your recall window, meaning once you hit send, you'll have that many seconds to stop the email before it officially goes out. So I recommend setting it to at least 10 seconds for a bit of extra breathing room. After you've set your preferred recall time, click Save at the bottom. Now, every time you send an email, you'll see a small undo button pop up at the bottom of your screen. If you click it within that time frame, the email will be canceled instantly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the recall feature for your Hotmail or Outlook emails. Remember, this doesn't literally pull back an email that's already delivered. It simply gives you a few seconds to cancel a message before it leaves your outbox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this one. And if you have any questions about Hotmail or Outlook features, feel free to leave them down below. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.